Okay, this is the day after the storm. These trees are really something else. Covered with snow. I have to remember this for next summer when we're watering and it's hot, and remember this winter snowstorm when everything was so covered with ice, and remember how pretty this was. I don't know if it's nice. You'd probably get some argument on that. But this is Groundhog Day 2015. I'm guessing the groundhog saw his shadow. Just drive here a little bit further and see if I can get through. I see some road graders down ahead of me. I think I'll be okay. Just kind of a winter wonderland this morning. I imagine if the sun stays out, the snow will fall off the trees pretty soon, but for now I think it's kind of pretty. Really the first big snowstorm of 2015. A lot of businesses are closed today. University is closed today. NPPD is working. We got to keep the lights on, but I'm not going to go in today. I'm going to take a day of vacation. It's just too slick to worry about. So all of you be careful out there too. Take care.